You see this? That came with your lashes? Little white glue stuff? No. Hi guys. So, this is my anti-Valentine's Day look. I was a little bit inspired by one of Nikki's tutorials. Also just inspired because I don't have anything to do on Valentine's Day, so what better way to celebrate than do my makeup, sit at home in my PJs with some hot coffee or cocoa, and watch movies, cuddle up on the couch, read a book. If you want to know how I got this look, just keep watching. Excuse all this. I'm breaking out. Feels like every time I decide to film a video, I break out. It's apparently going to be like this forever. Start with your favorite primer. Mine is Primed and Peachy. So for our eyeshadow today, we are going to start with a pink shade. I'm not even actually using an eyeshadow, to be honest with you. I'm using an old blush from Too Faced. It's called Fox in a Box. I'll try to find a screenshot of it and post it up here because I don't even think they sell it anymore, but any hot pink will do. So at this point, we're going to start using a deeper color in the crease. We're going to stay away from the middle crease, or the inner crease. We're going to do a half cut crease. So that's why I've been staying mostly on the outsides. I'm using a dark black called Tempting. You can go back in with your red and pink if you like to make it a little bit more pigmented around the black. That's what I'm gonna do. I don't know how I have brown on my eyelids. I'm just dabbing a highlighter on my brow bone. Took that pink right up to the brow bone. I feel like the camera's not really capturing that it looks okay in real life. It looks like a hot mess up here. Okay, for my cut crease, I'm taking a really light concealer, actually foundation. Mine is this. You can cover it. This is where the fun part is. I'm actually going to use a highlighter for my inner crease color. You can go back in with some of that darker color. Okay, now you're gonna go in and do your eyebrows. Remember, they are sisters, not twins. But sometimes they don't even look like cousins, like today. Anyway, we're going to take some green color corrector and cover up any red spots, blemishes, and then take your favorite foundation and concealer and bounce our face. I've even got a pimple coming up in my nose hole. If that's not sad, I don't know what is. You guys like my new beauty sponge? It's got a cat hair on it. Everything I own has cat or dog hair on it, so it's not really news to you guys. But I decided to use a brand new pink one for this tutorial in honor of Valentine's Day, even though this is an anti-Valentine's Day thing. Okay, anyway. Okay, now we're going to use our Peach Perfect Warm Nude. This time I'm using Photo Focus, a Wet n Wild. And we're just going to let our face bake. I mean bake. Not easy bake, like Paula Deen bake. Okay, now we're going to contour. We're going to use Morphe Vlogger. And I think an anti-Valentine's Day look is exactly the time to over contour your cheeks. Make your cheeks skinny, like your ex-man's bank account. And we're going to do something I hardly ever do, which is highlight. We're going to use the exact same color that we put on our eyelids. I use Bloom Time, a Wet n Wild, but you can use any highlighter. The dude turned you down for Valentine's Day. Just over highlight and blind him. It's time to wipe all this stuff away and start on our eyeliner. I'm taking Fula out of the Saharan palette, and I'm dabbing it in the middle of my eyelid just to get some more pink on my eyes. I'm using Mega Link waterproof. Now we're gonna do our lashes. You see this? That came with your lashes? Little white glue stuff. No. This is Revlon. It doesn't really matter what brand, but this is a full tube of black eyelash glue, and it's amazing. And I trim up the eyelashes to make it look a little bit more realistic. So for lips you can do a nude. It's always classic. I found some Kokie Professionals on sale, so I got these two. In the corners I'm going to put a dark red, and in the middle I'm going to put this nude. And I might try to add some of this in. This is like a really pink color I've had for a while. In the shade Burn Baby Burn. Like what you need to do to your ex's house on Valentine's Day, maybe? I don't know. I don't take responsibility for anything you do. And this nude color is called Key Largo. There we go, guys. That's it. Make sure to go do some self-care this Valentine's Day if you don't have a Valentine. Love yourself. Hang out with some friends. Hang out with your family. Alright, guys. See you next time. Make sure you subscribe if you liked it. Tell a friend, okay?